On 7/8/2023, complaint was lodged at Konkan Railway police station by Mrs. Sumita Srinivas Bhatt, resident of Kolli, Old Goa, complaining that while she was travelling from Mangalore to Madgaon, when reached at Madgaon railway station on train Netravati Express at about 4:30 HRS, when train was halted at Madgaon railway station, some unknown accused committed theft of her bag. The bag containing gold ornaments, that is 4 gold chain, 2 gold bangles, 1 gold necklace, 4 pairs of earrings, 4 gold finger rings, all weighing 269 grams, worth rupees 7,46,000 approx, cash of rupees 4,000, and Redmi Model 5 mobile worth rupees 9,000, all property worth rupees 7,59,000. On the registration of the crime, number 18/2023, police swung into action immediately. Use of artificial intelligence, prompt action, and placement of right staff at the right place leads to the detection of this case. We arrested the accused by name Nasim Salim Khan, aged 56 years, resident of Karwar, native of Jharkhand. From his instance, we have recovered whole property which was stolen